Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Lon. I'm an immigration lawyer with LM Law Group. And today we have David Lyons, who is a corporate lawyer with Learners. We wanted to team up to tell you guys about how to do business in Canada, how to bring workers to Canada, and how you yourself can bring your business to Canada. So, David, we are situated right now in the heartland of manufacturing in Southwest Ontario. What makes this region so special for manufacturing and bringing businesses to Canada these days?
Southwestern Ontario is so well positioned. Geographically, we're centrally located between Detroit and Toronto. We've got great transportation networks. We've got a great body of talented employees, great universities, colleges, and post-secondary institutions. We have a great hub of manufacturing, agriculture, as well as tech, both in KW and in London as leading upcoming markets in tech. So we've got a lot of assets and all within proximity to bigger centers like Toronto and the GTA if you're looking to do business there as well.
Right, and we're also very close to the US, to Detroit,
Absolutely.
Michigan, 2 open bridges and hopefully one more coming up soon. David, could you tell us a little bit about how, if a business wanted to come up to Canada and create a subsidiary in Canada, is that process very tedious, very long, very expensive? How hard is it to bring and create a new entity in Canada?
Overall, it's not overly complex, and I would say it's probably something. Many of the processes would be similar to what U.S. businesses would go through in startup and organization of their U.S. entities. Certainly, there are some components around tax issues that are important to look at, and we always recommend working with a tax advisor to ensure that the structure works best. But typically, the first decision is around whether it's a branch office or a separate Canadian subsidiary that will do business in Canada. We can certainly assist with registering both. There's different kinds of registrations required, or an incorporation if it's a subsidiary. But certainly, overall, the process is relatively easy.
And, we're going to make it easy for you, but we always want to think of all these different aspects of immigration for bringing your workers from outside of Canada, or if you yourself are not a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you'll need to have those immigration strategies for you. We want to talk about employment law. Canada and the US, you might think, well, we're very close neighbors, but the employment law standards are very, very different. And you must make sure that you have the right advice when you're bringing workers up to Canada. And also some things like real estate, practicality. How easy would it be for you to rent or buy real estate in Canada, or even to rent a virtual office in the beginning as well? So looking forward to talking to you guys more about how to come up to Canada.